So for me, it's more about connecting with the viewer
Yeah.
than it is trying to do things like that for the sake of YouTube getting context of what the video is about. YouTube is smart enough to the system, the algorithms of YouTube and their AI is that's reading all of this stuff and watching your videos and listening to your videos. They're so advanced that you can have a title that isn't even necessarily relevant to your video, and eventually their system will figure out who's a good fit for that content. When you're adding all of that metadata, you're trying to put all those words in your actual video. The only win with that is it just helps the system just have better context into what's going on. But for me, I lean on the viewers, and what I mean by that is when somebody comes into my video, if even if I'm targeting for search, I don't care what I say in the beginning as it pertains to my title or the topic of the video. What I care about is that when the viewers come in to my video, that I'm able to grab their attention and keep them watching for a longer period of time. Because if I can do that, then YouTube will maintain my video in search positions for a very long period of time, because it's going to have the context. It's going to put it in the right place based on, the other metadata and based on what the topic of the video is about in general. But my job as a YouTube content creator is to keep the viewer in my video. So because of that, I cater everything to the viewer experience. So because of that, for the last, I think like year or something, like I've taken out like logo intros and I'm just basically trimming the fat and just thinking like, okay, with every video I publish, how can I make this the best possible experience for the people that are interacting with the content? And by doing that, that's how you get YouTube to work on your behalf to, keep your videos in search, to put your videos in front of the right audience.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.